Should I stand and sit?
Yeah, do your thing. Alright. And action.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You want to get closer? Then move it up a little.
You might want to give me $4 grand. You know what $4 grand?
Yeah, but I think you can finesse it. Use what works. Isn't that what one of your mentors says?
But for me though, it's like if I have it in the bag, why did I buy it?
Actually, I feel like you shouldn't, because it's a challenge you to do better with this lens and practice better with this lens or whatever.
I got that on camera.
You thought I was gonna fall.
What are we doing here?
We're here celebrating my little niece's birthday. Welcome to Jamie's channel. Subscribe, like, share for amazing content. My beautiful sister, dope with the camera, dope with the words.
Yeah. Thank you. Come on, eat. Alrighty. Thanks, guys. So today's vlog is just me showing you pretty much how we're having fun under the sun, having some fun. Yeah, so I hope you guys do enjoy this vlog.
She know the one designer, so she wanna ring up on her finger.
Hip, hip, hip.
It is a celebration of love, but not only on those anniversary dates. It's something that's supposed to be continuous. This is for love. This is for good relationship. Imperfect marriage, but perfect.
Okay, so I'm now using my front-facing camera, and I'm going to try my best to be looking directly at you guys now, because using a phone to record, you know, most people tend to be looking at themselves. But I mean, that's if they're really close, like I am right now. I'm close to you guys, but I have to look directly at the lens to see that I'm actually talking to you guys for real, even though you're not really here, but you know. You get the drift, like eye contact. Isn't that what they say in Nigeria, in Yoruba? They say oju lorowa. So if my oju is at the lens and you guys are watching me, then you're looking actually directly at me as well, because I'm looking directly at you guys at the lens. So yeah, oju lorowa is a really good way to put it. Makes sense. Okay, so it's 10 p.m. at night now, and I'm not sleepy yet, but I'm also planning to go and edit some things, because the thing is I have a lot of content that I've been trying to put out, but to sit down and edit them, and me being so kind of anal with my editing, just trying to get things right, get the right music, get the right, I don't know, transition, things like that, just little silly things that really doesn't mean much to anyone, but to me it does. So I've been up really early, and I've been kind of at my work desk since about 8-ish. and didn't get up till about 8 p.m. because it's been a really busy work season. Let's just call it that. So my plan is to also tomorrow when I wake up to record the delivery that I'm supposed to be receiving for my husband, because he's supposed to go into the office tomorrow to work and he's expecting a special delivery and he's asked me to help him sign up for it. It's an insured delivery, so it requires Yeah. I'm vlogging. Stop. Hey, Yé pariwo. Ṣùgbọ́n. Ṣùgbọ́n.
Super.
Also Shugba. Anyways, what was I saying? So I'm gonna try to vlog that part where I'm, receiving the package, and see you guys tomorrow.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Look at how shiny your hand is.
Hello.
How many times you gonna say hello? How many times?
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
that's enough.
Hello. Hello.
Say ekale.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Say ekale.
Akaye.
Okay, Otito. Hello.
Hello.
Ekale.
Akaye.
Odaro.
Hello.
Oh my, funny.
Oh,
Funny.
no.
Funny gone.
No.
Okay. Say motiyo.
Hello.
Say mommy.
Mommy.
Mo fẹ́
Cafe.
bọ́lẹ̀
Where?
ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Hello.
Oh my goodness. Oh my, funny.
Yeah.
He's hilarious.
Okay, James Ugolua. Okay. 3.
Alright, so I don't want to distract them anymore, so I'm just gonna go upstairs.
7. I'm going to check whether the bag, okay. What inside there is...
Let's see. Open it.
Very specially taken care of. Even though I was worried a little bit about the first box because some things and dents and all that. So what we have here is a red camera kit. So meaning that normally it's supposed to come with like a box and all that, but this is like a package ready to go kit. So they already have everything inside this customized camera box.
Oof.
So what do we have
here? Look at that.